Hello, in this new lesson, can we solve more equations? So for example, let's say we have an equation like this, x minus 7 is equals to 15, and you are taught to solve it. This is very simple. You just collect the like terms together, and the variables, you can leave them on the left side, then the numerals, you can take them on the right side of the equal sign. So it becomes x minus 7 is equals to 15 becomes x is equals to 15 plus 7, because 7 here was negative. When you take it on the other side of the equal sign, it becomes positive. So x becomes 15 plus 7, which is 22. And that becomes the solution for that question. How about a question like this, which has a negative sign here, but then the coefficient of x is not 1. So let me copy it on my board. It is 3x minus 4 is equals to 17. As 4 is equals to 17. So it becomes, you take, of course, the numerator on the right side, and you leave the variables on this side. So it becomes 3x is equals to, this is negative 4 this side, so when it goes on the other side, it becomes positive. So it will be 17 plus 4. So it becomes 3x is equals to 17 plus 4, which is 21. And then to get x, I divide both sides by 3. So x becomes 3 divided by 3 is 1. So x is equals to 21 divided by 3, which is 7. Like that. Can you try this question 3? Then I'll try to solve question 4. So I may copy question 4 on my board. As usual, the first step is to combine the like terms together. So in this case, I can take these two on the other side of the equal sign, and here it is positive, so it goes on the other side, it will be negative. So it will be 3x all over 5 is equals to 8 minus 2. Because here it was positive, the other side it will be negative. So it becomes 3x all over 5 is equals to 8 minus 2, which is 6. But you see, I have a 5 here, so I can write this question like this. 3 over 5 x is equals to 6. But I want to remove this 5 from both sides so that it becomes easy to solve the whole question. And to do so, the easiest way is to just multiply both sides by 5. So now 3 over 5 x into, I multiply by 5, and then is equals to 6, and I also multiply by 5, such that what I've done on the left side, I also do it on the right side. So 3 over 5x becomes, divided by this 5 by 1, back by 1, it becomes 3x is equals to 6 multiplied by 5 is 30. So it becomes 3x is equals to 30, but I only want x. So I divide both sides by 3 to get x. So 3 divided by 3 is 1, remains x, time divided by 3 is 10. And that becomes the answer for that question. So now I'll move the 2x on the left side and the 9 on the right side of the equal sign. Then becomes 4x. This 2x here was positive, so on the other side it will be minus 2x is equals to 25. This 9 here was positive, so on the other side it will be negative, so it will be negative 9. So now it becomes 4x minus 2x, which is 2x, is equals to 25 minus 9 is 16. And then to get x, I divide both sides by 2 then I get x is equals to 16 divided by 2, which is 8. And that becomes the solution for that question. Can we do last example where we are told we have an expression with a value outside the brackets, then we are told, of course, to expand it and then solve. So first, let me copy the question on my board. First step is to expand the expression on the left side, and in this case, we can use this formula. If we have k into a minus b, then the expansion becomes k multiplied by a, which is k a, minus k multiplied by b, which is kb, like that. So in our case, 3 takes on the place of k into x takes the place of a minus 2 takes on the place of b. So now it becomes 3 multiplied by x, which is 3x, minus 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. That becomes 3x minus 6. But then we equate it to the right side expression. It now becomes 3x minus 6 is equals to 2x plus 9. So I collect the like terms together. So it becomes 3x. I take these 2x on the left side, which is, here it was positive, so on the other side it will be negative. Then 9. I take this 6 on the other side. Here it was negative. Here it will be positive. Plus 6. So it becomes 3x minus 2x is 6. Then 9 plus 6 is 15. Like that. And that becomes the solution for that question. So, can you review all the questions and see if you understand the logic? And if you have any question, you can comment. You can ask me any question, I'll answer. I'll try to solve my level best. And bye for now. Let us meet in the next